Welcome to our deep dive into the advantages and disadvantages of Kotlin compared to Java for Android development. Both languages are widely used, but Kotlin has been gaining popularity thanks to its modern features and official support from Google. In this video, we'll explore what makes Kotlin stand out, where Java still holds its ground, and how these differences impact Android app development. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, understanding these languages will help you make informed decisions for your projects. Let's start by looking at the origins and core philosophies of Kotlin and Java. Kotlin was developed by JetBrains, a company known for its powerful developer tools. The language was designed to be fully interoperable with Java, making it easy for developers to adopt without losing access to existing Java libraries. Kotlin's official support by Google as a first-class language for Android development marked a significant milestone, encouraging many developers to transition from Java. Its modern syntax and features aim to address some of the pain points experienced with Java, especially in mobile app development. Java has been the backbone of Android development since the platform's inception. With decades of use, Java boasts a mature ecosystem, extensive libraries, and robust community support. Its reliability and stability have made it a go-to choice for enterprise applications and large-scale projects. However, as technology evolves, some aspects of Java, such as verbose syntax and lack of certain modern features, have prompted developers to seek alternatives like Kotlin. One of Kotlin's standout advantages is its concise syntax. Unlike Java, which often requires lengthy boilerplate code, Kotlin streamlines development by reducing unnecessary code. This not only makes programs easier to read and maintain but also speeds up the development process. Developers can focus more on functionality and less on repetitive tasks, leading to cleaner and more efficient codebases. Kotlin's type inference feature allows the compiler to deduce variable types automatically, eliminating the need for explicit type declarations. This makes code more succinct and reduces the likelihood of errors. Developers can write expressive code without sacrificing type safety, which is a significant improvement over Java's more rigid requirements. Null safety is a major advantage of Kotlin. In Java, NullPointerExceptions are a common source of bugs and crashes. Kotlin addresses this by providing built-in null safety features, helping developers prevent these issues at compile time. This results in more stable applications and fewer runtime errors, making Kotlin particularly attractive for Android development where reliability is crucial. Kotlin allows developers to extend existing classes with new functionality without modifying their source code. This is achieved through extension functions which enable more flexible and modular programming. Java lacks this feature, making Kotlin a more versatile option for adding custom behaviors to classes. Handling asynchronous tasks is simpler in Kotlin thanks to Coroutines. Coroutines provide a more readable and efficient way to manage concurrency, making it easier to write code that performs multiple tasks simultaneously. Java's approach to concurrency is more complex and less intuitive, giving Kotlin a clear edge in modern app development. Kotlin's Smart Cast feature automatically casts immutable values and performs type checks, reducing the need for explicit casting. This makes code safer and easier to work with, especially when dealing with complex data structures. Java requires manual casting, which can be error-prone and cumbersome. Kotlin introduces data classes which automatically generate boilerplate code such as equals, hashCode, and toString methods. This simplifies data holding and manipulation, allowing developers to focus on core logic rather than repetitive coding. Java requires manual implementation of these methods, making Kotlin more efficient for handling data. Kotlin supports default arguments in functions and named arguments, making function calls clearer and more flexible. This feature enhances code readability and reduces errors, especially in complex functions. Java lacks this capability, requiring developers to use overloaded methods or manual parameter management. One of Kotlin's most important features is its seamless interoperability with Java. Developers can use existing Java libraries and frameworks within Kotlin projects without compatibility issues. This makes transitioning to Kotlin easier and ensures that legacy code remains usable, providing flexibility for teams working with both languages. Kotlin's syntax includes many modern programming features such as lambda expressions and higher-order functions. These features enable developers to write expressive and powerful code, making Kotlin a preferred choice for those seeking advanced programming capabilities. Java's syntax is more traditional, lacking some of these modern conveniences. Despite its advantages, Kotlin presents a learning curve for developers familiar with Java. Adapting to new syntax and features requires time and effort. While Kotlin is designed to be approachable, mastering its advanced capabilities can be challenging for those used to Java's conventions. Kotlin's compilation time can be slower compared to Java, especially for clean builds. This can impact development speed, particularly in large projects. While incremental builds are faster, developers may notice delays when compiling from scratch, making Java a more efficient option in some scenarios. Kotlin's ecosystem is younger and less mature than Java. While Kotlin is growing rapidly, its libraries and tooling are not as extensive or robust as those available for Java. This can limit options for developers and introduce challenges when integrating with older systems. Some older Java libraries and tools may not be fully compatible with Kotlin. This can create issues when integrating legacy code or using specialized tools. Developers may need to find workarounds or alternative solutions which can add complexity to projects. Kotlin's community is growing, but it is still smaller than Java's long-established network. This means fewer resources, tutorials, and forums for troubleshooting. While the Kotlin community is active and supportive, Java's extensive user base provides more comprehensive assistance for developers. Some of Kotlin's advanced features, such as coroutines, can introduce complexity if not used properly. While these features offer powerful capabilities, they require careful implementation and understanding. Developers unfamiliar with these concepts may encounter challenges, making Java's simpler approach preferable in certain cases. Kotlin offers several advantages over Java, including reduced boilerplate code, improved safety with null safety, and modern features like coroutines and extension functions. These benefits make Kotlin a powerful and efficient language for Android development, enabling developers to create robust and maintainable applications. Despite its strengths, Kotlin comes with some disadvantages. The learning curve for new developers, slower compilation times, and potential issues with tooling and library compatibility can pose challenges. Additionally, the smaller community and complexity in advanced features may make Java a more attractive option for certain projects. Kotlin has become a first-class language for Android development, thanks to Google's official support. Its modern features and interoperability with Java make it a versatile choice for building mobile apps. Developers can leverage Kotlin's strengths while maintaining compatibility with existing Java code, ensuring a smooth transition and future-proofing their projects. Developers working with Kotlin often report improved productivity and satisfaction. The language's concise syntax, powerful features, and safety mechanisms contribute to a smoother development experience. While Java remains reliable, Kotlin's enhancements make it a compelling choice for those seeking efficiency and innovation. Transitioning from Java to Kotlin is made easier by their interoperability. Developers can gradually adopt Kotlin in their projects, leveraging existing Java code and libraries. This flexibility allows teams to experiment with Kotlin's features without committing to a complete rewrite, minimizing risk and maximizing benefits. Kotlin is increasingly used in the industry, especially for Android app development. Major companies and startups alike are adopting Kotlin to take advantage of its modern features and improve developer experience. Its growing popularity is reflected in job postings and community discussions, signaling a shift in the mobile development landscape. Kotlin Mutex is a concept that helps manage concurrency in Android apps. It ensures that only one thread can access a resource at a time, preventing race conditions and improving app stability. Understanding Mutex and other concurrency tools is essential for developers working with complex, multi-threaded applications. The Android activity lifecycle is crucial for ensuring seamless user interaction. Kotlin's features can help manage lifecycle events more efficiently, reducing boilerplate and improving app responsiveness. Understanding how Kotlin interacts with the lifecycle is key for building robust Android applications. Java's interface and abstract class concepts are foundational in object-oriented programming. Kotlin supports these concepts but offers additional flexibility through features like extension functions and data classes. Understanding the differences and similarities helps developers design better architectures in both languages. A well-formatted resume is essential for software engineers seeking top jobs. Highlighting experience with Kotlin and Java can make candidates stand out, especially as companies look for developers skilled in modern Android technologies. Showcasing projects and achievements in both languages demonstrates versatility and expertise. Continuous self-improvement is vital for developers. Learning new languages like Kotlin, mastering advanced features, and staying updated with industry trends can boost productivity and career prospects. Embracing change and adapting to new technologies ensures long-term success in the fast-paced world of software development. Kotlin's concise syntax and powerful features contribute to increased productivity. Developers can write less code, avoid common errors, and implement complex functionality more easily. This efficiency translates to faster project completion and higher quality applications, making Kotlin a valuable asset for any development team. The Kotlin community is expanding rapidly with more resources, tutorials, and forums becoming available. Developers can find support and share knowledge, helping each other overcome challenges and learn new techniques. As the community grows, Kotlin's ecosystem will become even more robust and accessible. While Kotlin is fully interoperable with Java, some older libraries may not work seamlessly. Developers should test compatibility and look for updated versions or alternatives when integrating third-party tools. Staying aware of potential issues ensures smoother project development and maintenance. Security is a top priority in Android app development. Kotlin's null safety and modern features help prevent common vulnerabilities, but developers must also consider other security aspects, such as decompilation risks and secure coding practices. Combining Kotlin's strengths with robust security measures leads to safer applications. Implementing custom views like Calendar View in Android can be streamlined with Kotlin's features. Named arguments, extension functions, and concise syntax make it easier to build and maintain complex UI components. Developers can create more interactive and user-friendly interfaces with less effort. There are many resources available for learning Kotlin and Java, including online tutorials, courses, and community forums. Investing time in education and practice helps developers master both languages and stay competitive in the job market. Exploring recommended materials accelerates the learning process. Many developers share stories of leveling up their skills by learning Kotlin and improving their coding practices. These experiences highlight the importance of embracing new technologies and continuously seeking growth. Learning from others' journeys can inspire and guide your own path in software development. Kotlin's future looks promising with continued growth and adoption and community support. As more developers embrace its features and contribute to the ecosystem, Kotlin will become even more powerful and accessible. Staying ahead of trends and mastering Kotlin can open new opportunities in Android development. Choosing between Kotlin and Java depends on project requirements, team expertise, and long-term goals. Both languages have strengths and weaknesses, so evaluating your needs and experimenting with both can help you make the best decision. Flexibility and openness to new tools are key to successful development. Maintaining legacy Java code while adopting Kotlin can be challenging but rewarding. Interoperability allows gradual migration, reducing risk and preserving valuable assets. Careful planning and testing ensure smooth transitions and maintain application stability throughout the process. Collaboration is essential in software development. Teams working with both Kotlin and Java can leverage each member's strengths, share knowledge, and build better applications. Open communication and mutual learning foster innovation and drive project success. Continuous integration practices help manage projects using both Kotlin and Java. Automated testing, code reviews, and build tools ensure quality and consistency. Adopting these practices streamlines development and reduces errors, making it easier to maintain complex applications. The choice of programming language can impact user experience. Kotlin's features help create responsive, stable, and user-friendly apps. By reducing errors and improving performance, developers can deliver better products and enhance customer satisfaction. In conclusion, Kotlin offers many advantages over Java for Android development, including concise syntax, null safety, and modern features. However, it also presents challenges such as a learning curve and compatibility issues. By understanding both languages and their strengths, developers can make informed choices and build successful applications. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Kotlin and Java in Android development. As you move forward, consider experimenting with Kotlin's features and integrating them into your projects. Stay updated with industry trends, continue learning, and collaborate with your team to achieve the best results in mobile app development.